ça m'a marché, j'ai tombé sur un centime béni, ouais non pas gâté. Y'ange gardien, dis-moi qu'auto sorti, toujours croisé dans route moi. Chaque fois m'a passé, envie de parler avec, pour mettre la joie dans le cœur, pour me dire tout ça qui est bon, pour m'aider dans le cœur. Je t'en laisse sans
That's probably brownie.
Je t'en laisse sans
Yeah, so.
No, it's a little more brownie. More brownie?
Not
Very good.
raining.
Yeah. Those are delicious.
You guys can bring it over here if you want. Like,
Allá.
I've been
Strawberry. Strawberry. And then
Ready? Oh, no. We met before. Yeah. Okay, in Berta, yes. That's right. Okay. Very nice. Poco cada dia. That's all. But okay. Thanks, man. Very good.
a little bit. You know what? It kind of gets in the way with the table. Emerging.
That's
Been a good
Gabriel, by
school
the
year
way.
so far.
Gabriel is in the house. I think
Ya nos acostumbrados a la mayonesa.
Fresquito.
Well done, sausage.
Pollito.
I love well done. Always.
So,
I'll be right back. Don't hurt.
You already got to it.
No. I feel the heat coming.
Ah, ya hizo otra, pásale.
Sure, let's do it.
Hi. How are you?
good thing, Kenya.
Good. What's going on, Marianne?
He knows everybody here.
Nice to see you as well. I like your bunny ears.
Thank you.
Is it almost Easter or are you just a bunny?
I'm just a bunny.
I like it. Are you going to take any Halloween costumes back with you?
No.
Maybe we'll have to bring something.
Here's a mess.
Okay, love you too. Hello, Chelsea. How you doing? I remember him, but he doesn't probably remember me. I saw you at a baby.
living on my right? I've been living on the couch.
Yeah. So let's probably turn off the music and where can we? Should we
Is it a birthday cake?
No, it says come back soon.
Come back soon.
Yeah.
I can handle that.
Of course.
Yeah.
Your phone is ringing.
Oh, my phone is ringing. Oh my God. Wait.
Time, honey. Don't worry.
What's she gonna do in Haiti with no cell phone? She won't have a life anymore. Oh, look how cute. Wait, whose glasses are those, huh? That's what I thought. You don't. Oh yeah.
Hey, how's it going? Good. How are you?
No es común para mí estar en un grill.
I saw her. Yeah, good. Let's get this. Okay, everybody. As soon as we can get Mardochee off her cell phone, we're gonna do the cake and ice cream because we have some friends that are starting to leave. So, I want to make sure we can all do that. Well, what are we gonna sing? We're not gonna sing Happy Birthday. What do we sing? For she is a jolly good fellow.
Happy Mardochee.
Oh, that's right. We have
the light of mine.
Okay. Well, go get her. Tell her they're gonna sing.
I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Jesus, give it to me. I'm gonna let it shine. Jesus, give it to me. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Let it shine. Oh.
Bravo!
The sun wasn't gonna shine no more till God put a rainbow in the sky. Rainbow in the sky. Put a rainbow in the sky. It looks like the sun wasn't gonna shine no more till God put a rainbow in the sky. Rainbow in the sky. Rainbow in the sky.
Cielito lindo.
Morena cielo, morena cielito lindo, vienen bajando. Un par de ojitos negros, cielito lindo, de contrabando. De la cielo, morena cielito lindo, vienen bajando. Un par de ojitos negros, cielito lindo, de contrabando. Ay, 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 canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran cielito lindo los corazones. Ay, 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 canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran cielito lindo los corazones.
I know. I meant to send out a reminder today, and I You put the towel on my face. I said, you don't remember that? Yeah.
They don't care.
People will find need to do that. Yeah. Well, yeah, we got those in the kitchen too. So somebody brought some really good stuff.
Daniel, right?
Daniel, yeah.
Nice to see you
Haven't seen you in a
again.
long time.
I know.
We just went to.
We're gonna get her water polo game.
Are these beef?
I did not worry about doing something like
She's acting like I don't know those people. Oh wait, I'm waiting for
You should better know them by now.
to move. Okay, there we go. Yay! 1, 2, 3. Cool. Very nice. Thank you. And I want to. Did you say please?
Yeah. Okay, let me. Chelsea's over there. I'll go to Chelsea. And I don't want to say
I think the Hotel Florida might be.
we need to get her to be emailed.
Yeah, well, that too. We can Skype her too. Mardochee. Oh, Juliet. How sweet. So good to see you guys. Wait, I gotta get Mardochee a picture with these guys right here. Come, Mardochee. Hi. Right here.
I'm good for you.
Except I need Carlos to move. Either get in it or out of it. One or the other. Okay, Mardochee, look at me. Oh gosh, does it still say it's full? Wait a minute, I just deleted a bunch of stuff. Okay, now I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, Eddie. You too. All right. Good. All right. Beautiful. Mardochee, let's get you. We're good.
Now I remember you. Do you remember me? Oh my gosh. Are you still working? Nos parecemos.
Más o menos.
Is that getting pictures of what? Of you? Oh, that's a good idea, huh? Oh my gosh, look who's here. Hey! So glad you could make it. Hey guys. Hey you guys. Welcome, Mardochee.
I've taken over her camera. Sorry. Just bump me out of the way.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Tell we're in the right place. Very good. Let me see. So there's food, there's ice cream and cake. Oh. Or she's gonna give me a little kiss. Give me a little kiss.
Hey.
I'm ready. I'm still waiting.
Mardochee cracking up. That was it.
I don't think she's giving me one kiss since she got here. Maybe I'll get one when I leave her in Haiti. Maybe.
You didn't get a kiss?
I'm gonna mess up her hair.
You didn't get kissed because I laughed too much.
Yeah, we've noticed that. Thank you, sweetie. You having a good time? Look. The OJ FUD team here too. Very good. Yeah. Cute. Good job. So Josh is going down when I'm down too. We're gonna meet up with him in Port-au-Prince. You look different, Josh. Besides the new. Oh, I know. I've used them a lot. We had about 50 people last summer. I told her I'm going to take a picture of you on the beach at Jack Mel wearing that, okay?
Oh, that'd be so
Turn it around. Turn the t-shirt around. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, big time Santa Cruz. Cool. Very nice. Well, she definitely needed one of those. Because she's now a Santa Cruiser.
That's a nice one.
It's a really pretty one, yeah.
I got it at Pacific Wave downtown.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my grandma's gonna
Marianne's not going to Haiti with us this time. We're so sad.
That's such in there.
I know. This is my Zami Mwe. Please. Yeah. Very cutie. You like those chairs?
If you're jealous of me, I'm gonna put the dress on you and you go to Haiti. What do you think? I'll do it.
Yes, I will get in there for you.
Girls so gorgeous. Oh my god.
Wait, you talking about gorgeous girls? Here I am.
Yeah, there you go. Here we go.
Did you get it? Did you get it?